Do you want to scrape data from any website without getting blocked? In this video, I'll show you how to scrape websites completely for free using DeepSeek and Crawl4AI. For instance, I scraped this website and converted the data into a clean, well-structured CSV format, which can be used for data analysis or even for training a machine learning model. Web scraping has become a highly valuable skill in today's tech landscape, and with the rapid growth of AI, its importance has significantly increased. It's something every developer and data enthusiast should be familiar with. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. For this setup, we will use VS Code to write and run our code, and Crawl4AI, which is an open source web scraper that pulls and scrapes data from websites. And last, Docker, which runs the Crawl4AI container locally on your system. First, grab VS Code from their official website. Just search VS Code in your browser, hit download for your OS, whether that is Windows, Mac, or Linux, and install it. Next, do the same for Docker. Search Docker, go to their site, download the version for your system, and install it. Once both are installed, go ahead and start Docker. The first launch takes a minute. That is totally normal. Just let it run in the background. Now, open VS Code because we need to run some commands to start our container. Go to the terminal section, click on it, and open a new terminal. The terminal is open. I will switch this to full screen so everything is clearly visible. Now, head over to this repository which is already set up for you. It has all the commands you need to run the Crawl4AI container using Docker. You do not need to write any command manually, just copy and paste. There are two methods to run the crawler. The first is cloning the Crawl4AI repository, and the second one is the recommended method because it is much easier. You just pull the container using Docker and run it. That's simple. To pull the container, copy the pull command from the repository and come back to the VS Code terminal. Paste the command into the terminal and hit enter. This will pull the Crawl4AI container onto your system. It might take a little time, but mine was already done since I had pulled it before. Once the container is successfully pulled, go back to the repository and this time, copy the container run command. Come back to VS Code, paste the command into the terminal, and run it. This will start the Crawl4AI container on your system. If you see a container ID appear in the terminal, that means it is running. Now go back to the repository and copy the Crawl4AI dashboard URL. Paste that URL into your browser, and the Crawl4AI dashboard will open right in front of you. It is ready to scrape any website you want. To get started, click the Playground button in the top right corner. The Crawl4AI Playground will open, and this is where the magic happens. It requires the URL of the website you want to scrape. Quick heads up though, some websites have anti-bot systems and reCAPTCHA, so you cannot scrape those directly. For that, you would need rotating proxies, which change your IP address with each request to bypass those blocks. That's where IPcook comes in. I built this Python script that connects directly with the IPcook API. Instead of using one static IP that gets flagged quickly, it fetches a fresh residential proxy for every session. Let's run it. First, the script checks my normal public IP. Now it requests a US-based residential proxy from IPcook. And just like that, the IP changes completely. Now, the traffic looks like it's coming from a real home user in the US, which makes scraping much more reliable and harder for websites to detect. The scraper now visits the target sites, eBay, Steam listings, and test pages, all loading successfully without blocks, CAPTCHAs, or timeouts. Once finished, it saves a clean report with all the collected results. Now let me quickly show you how to get your own proxy. Open IPcook from the link in the description and log in using Google or email. They offer residential, data center, and ISP proxies. For this project, we're using residential. Choose your plan, click Proxy Generator, Then select your country, protocol, and IP rotation. If you choose random rotation, you get a fresh IP every new session. You can also use static IP if needed. Next, create a subaccount, allocate traffic, then click Generate API. These are your API credentials, ready to use in your project. They support Python, Node, Java, and more. So integration is very simple. Both my Python project and the IPcook link are in the description below. And new users also get 20% off, so don't miss it. Now, back to the scraping. I want to scrape this e-commerce website, so let me copy its URL. Back to Crawl4AI, paste the copied URL into the playground URL field and click the Run button. Once you hit Run, Crawl4AI visits the website, scrapes it, and fetches all the data for you. When the process is complete, you will see it returns messy raw data filled with HTML tags and in Markdown format. You cannot use it in this state, so we need to clean it up first. Go ahead and copy the scraped content. Now, head over to the DeepSeek website, give it a prompt to clean this content and convert it into a structured CSV file format. Paste your copied content there and hit enter. DeepSeek will understand your content and start cleaning it up, converting it into a neat, structured CSV format. Just let it do its thing. Once it is done, copy the cleaned response, come back to VS Code, create a new file with a .csv extension, and paste the clean data inside. You will see the data is now clean and structured. You can use it for analysis, for your projects, or for whatever you like. Let me show you in Excel. And look at that. Clean, structured data, just like I promised. So that is basically it. You can scrape data from any website using Crawl4AI. Just drop in the URL, hit run, and you will get clean, structured data every single time. That is all for today's video. I hope this helps you get started with web scraping. And before you go, make sure to check out IPcook for getting professional proxy, the one that will never get you blocked by scraping website and collecting data.